Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems involving rates of change can seem intimidating, but we will break this down into 3 simple steps to find the correct answer very quickly. The rate of change of temperature, W, with respect to time t is written as dW dt. This is our dependent variable's derivative, so let us keep that in mind now. Direct proportionality means the rate equals a constant K times the difference between the water temperature W and the room temperature 68. That gives us the equation dW dt equals KW minus 68. Comparing our derived equation to the choices provided, we see that option D matches our model perfectly. That makes option D our final winner for this specific math problem today. Smart move. Scan the code you can learn better with SOV. Avoid mixing variables like T and W. Always use proportions to verify your final variables.